Chapter name Practical Geometry. Question number first. Construct the following quadrilaterals. We are on fourth part, which is our last part. Again, a word of caution. If you do not understand any part in this explanation, you must watch first three parts for a better understanding. Here we have to construct a rhombus whose name must be BEST. The first step is we will check continuity or cyclicity of this given question. First one is BE. So BE is continuous. Therefore this must be the side of this rhombus. And we know very well from the properties of rhombuses that all the four sides are equal to each other. Therefore, with this single information, we come to know that all the sides of this rhombus will be equal to 4.5 cm. Second one is ET. Again, ET is not continuous, therefore it must be one of the diagonals. Remember, in rhombuses, both diagonals need not to be equal to each other. So this is one of the diagonals that is equal to 6 cm. And from these information, we can easily construct a rhombus whose name would be BEST. So the initial step that we name as step 0 is to construct rough sketch so that we get an idea that how our rhombus BEST would look like. So first of all, we construct BE side with a dimension of 4.5 cm. That is just our assumption. We are not taking actual measurements. So BE over here, this time we are going to construct in an anti-clockwise manner. This means if we have B and E over here, then S must come here. Then only we will be able to construct this figure in anti-clockwise manner. It is our personal preference. We can also construct the same figure in cyclic manner. Then these vertices will interchange its position. Now we need to construct ET equal to 6 cm, that is one diagonal. So we constructed this diagonal at a certain angle. Again, it is our preference. The only thing is that it must appear like a rhombus. Assuming a certain angle, we constructed a line segment using ruler and we marked it down as 6 cm. Now we know very well that rhombuses have all the four sides equal to each other. Therefore, again, we will consider some angle, that is angle BES, this angle, and we will construct a line segment which will be equal to 4.5 cm. Again, using our assumption only. Then we will construct a line segment to T, which should appear parallel to this line segment BE, because opposite line segments in case of rhombuses are parallel to each other. Then it is a matter to connect it, and this must appear parallel to this line segment. That is, line segment BT must appear parallel to line segment ES. With this, we have constructed our rough sketch. With the help of this rough sketch, we will be able to construct the actual rhombus BEST with actual measurements. So as we always do in step number first, we try to draw horizontal part. So we constructed this line segment BE using our ruler and pencil, and we marked down its measurement as equal to 4.5 cm. In second step, we try to find this point T, which is at a distance of 4.5 cm from vertex B and at a distance of 6 cm from vertex E. So we will adjust our compasses at a distance of 4.5 cm and we will put our needle at B because we are considering this length, that is length of this line segment BT. So putting our needle over here, we have adjusted our compasses at a distance of 4.5 cm. We shall draw this arc. Again, we will readjust our compasses at a distance of 6 cm because we are considering the length of line segment ET this time. So we will put our needle over here, that is at vertex E, and we shall construct this arc. So wherever both these arcs intersect each other, that will be our point T, which will be at a distance of 4.5 cm from vertex B and 6 cm from vertex E. In step third, we simply use our ruler and draw actual line segment. That is, we have to match this point with B as well with E. So if we observe, the actual figure appears different because our assumption will always not be correct. That is the only reason we draw rough sketch at the first place, to just get an idea that how our actual figure would look like. In step 4, we simply make our work tidy by jotting down the measurements or the dimensions. In step number 5, we try to find this point S, which will be at a distance of 4.5 cm from vertex T as well from vertex E, because these all 4 sides of this rhombus are equal to 4.5 cm. So we shall readjust our compasses at a distance of 4.5 cm and put our needle at T and construct this arc. Again, we need not to readjust our compasses because we have to consider 4.5 cm again and put our needle at E, and we shall construct this arc. So wherever these both arcs intersect each other, that will be our point S. That is this point. Here we must tell you that in each step you must pause the tutorial and try to construct by your own and then resume the tutorial for the next step. So in step number 6, it is just a matter to connect this point S from vertex T and E using our ruler. So we constructed the line segment which joins vertex T and vertex E to our newly found vertex S. And in our step number 7th, or the last step, we simply tidy up our construction by jotting down the dimensions. That is, all the 4 sides are equal to 4.5 cm. The same has been marked over here, and one of the diagonals, this time it is ET as given to us in the question itself, is equal to 6 cm. Again, using the properties of rhombuses, the line segment which will connect B and S, or the second diagonal in this case of rhombus, need not to be equal to 6 cm because we are considering rhombus. But that is not the point of discussion in this construction question. With this, we have successfully constructed rhombus whose name is BEST in anti-clockwise manner. With this, we have come to an end of our last part, that is 4th part of this question number 1st of chapter name Practical Geometry, exercise 4.1, chapter 4th.